Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this really cute penguin with a donut. First we're going to start by drawing the top part of the donut. So it's going to be like a mound, like a hill. Turn your page, it's a lot easier. And remember, use a pencil first and then afterwards you outline with a marker. Okay, now we're going to do his arms, his little arms around it. So we're going to go just about here and they're going to wrap around. Well done. Okay, we'll do the other one. Okay, I'm going to just do the little oval in the middle of the donut. Okay. We're going to do his inner part of his head first. It starts about here and it goes up. Just like that. And then we're going to do another line like up over his eye and to a peak. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And make sure to leave that little gap there. And then the other part. Okay, now we're going to do his little beak here. So it goes just like that. And then underneath. And then you're going to do a line right in the middle. Great job. We're going to do some rosy cheeks on him, but I'm not going to draw them in. I'll just color them in after. So for now, we're going to do his big eyes. Nice big circles. And remember, when you're drawing a circle, start forming the circle above the page before you press your pen. And then you'll get a really good circle. Okay. And the same on this side. Start forming it above and then press it down. Now, if you don't get it perfect, we are coloring this in black, so it's fine. I'm going to leave my highlights, but I'll be using a highlight marker after. You can add some eyelashes if you'd like to. Okay, we're going to put a little hat on this penguin. Turn your paper to get that, and then you're going to turn up that line there like that, and the same on the other side, and then connect that line. All done. Okay, we're going to do something similar up here. We're going to do another line and bring it across and bring it down. Okay. And then we're doing one more. You can do it a little bit of a ripple there. It's a hat. And then let's do the bobble up top. You can do a circle one. You can do a little bit of a jaggedy one. And then I'm going to put little spikes all the way around because I think, you know what, the spike one looks far better. It looks more real. All right. Okay, let's finish the part of his face. So it's going to go around, down and out. Okay. And the same thing on this side. All right, let's do the bottom part of this donut. So follow your pen, don't touch down, bring it around and touch down, okay? The same here, because you want to make sure it measures right. Follow and touch down. Now if you use a pencil, it would be a lot easier to circle it and then you can erase your lines afterwards. But if you're using a pen, that will be the way you're doing it. Then I would recommend turning your paper, or turn your paper upside down, because you'll get that with your hand. Okay, I'm going to do it because I'm going to show you how to do it. All right. See how much easier that is. And there's your donut. And then we're just going to do a little ripple of frosting on the bottom. All right. Now let's do the bottom part of her little body. So the same thing, you can turn your page if you want to. And you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to follow and connect that line. I would recommend turning your paper. Now let's give him a little tail. He's got a little squiggly tail. Okay. And lastly, let's do little feet. He's got his little flippers. And then do this one on this side. Okay, we just need to add some sprinkles to this donut. Let's do some oblong sprinkles. We need a few more just there. That's our cute little penguin with a donut drawn. Let's color him in. I'll show you step by step on the screen which colors I'll be using, but anything you have at home will do just perfectly fine. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Town and drawing this really sweet little penguin with a donut. See you next time. Bye!